I have a circuit, and then in this circuit I've given you some examples of what S1 and S0, except I think I forget that I've got this typo. S0 and this is S1. W0, W1, W2, W3, and F.
So the first column is S0 and S1?
Sure, yes. Let's make that S0 and S1. Okay, so I'm going to do the first one for you, and you'll see how it works. So the first column is S0. So S0, on this first row, S0 is 0. S1 is also 0. W0 is 1. W1 is 0. W2 is 1. And W3 is 1. And we're supposed to figure out what S is. Okay, so 0 is the select input for both of these two multiplexers right here, the two front multiplexers. So that means the output is going to be whatever is coming in on the 0 port. So that would be 1 for this one and 1 for this one as well, because 1 is what's coming into the 0. Now 0 is also S1, so that's the selector for the second one. And so our answer is going to be whatever is coming into the 0 port, which is 1, so F is 1. And so F would be 1 in that case. Do y'all want me to do another one, or do you feel like you can do the try them on your own and then we'll check them? You want to try them? Okay. Okay, so I'll do the second row, and here's what I mean by being lazy. F comes for the second multiplexer, and so it's going to equal whatever value is determined by S1. So in my second row, S1 is 0. So I only care about this input right here, so I'm going to just ignore the bottom one. And now I'll come up here, and this multiplexer depends on S0. S0 is 1, so I only really care about what's coming into the 1 input, which is W1, and W1 was 1. And so that way I know I didn't actually have to figure out what everything is. I know that I wanted, this is the one I'm going to choose for the first multiplexer, and that's going to be the answer. There is 1. In the third row, S1 is 1, so I only care about the bottom multiplexer. S0 is 0, so I want the top input on the bottom multiplexer, which is W2, and W2 is 1. And then for the last row, S0 and S1 are 1, so I'm going to have 1 for F for this second multiplexer, and then also 1 for this one in front. So my value would be whatever W3 is, which is 0. Questions?